Railway Minister Sadanand Gowda has said that the government will encourage NGOs, corporate houses and charitable institutions to adopt railway stations to ensure their proper upkeep.
Reputed and willing NGOs, charitable institutions and corporate houses will be encouraged to adopt and maintain stations for better cleanliness and upkeep. It is estimated that over 40,000 crore would be needed to be invested in track renewals. I am making a provision of rupees 1,785 crore for road underbridges and road overbridges in this budget. I would request the concerned state governments to expedite their proposals and pass on their share of cost.
Powered by NNIS.